Hi, hello, welcome back to Simply Learn German. In today's lesson, we will see what are the personal pronouns in nominative case. Let's see the first one. Ich, ich, which means I. Du, du, which means you. When you're talking with your friends, then we use du. Er, er, he. Sie, sie, which means she. Es, es, it. Wir, wir, which means we. Ihr, ihr, you. When you are talking with two or more people, then we say ihr. Sie, sie, they. We have one more sie, which means you in a formal way. As you can see the difference in she, that means sie, the letter S is small. Whereas in you, the letter S is capital. One more time. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Thanks for watching.